Hi Randall, I am Mrs. Stoll, and so I will be your online geometry teacher. First thing, I went through and I took your transfer grade for geometry, which was a 92%, and I entered that into Power School. So right now you should see that your grade is a 92% in Power School for geometry. It looked like you were already almost finished with Unit 2. We are actually just starting Unit 2, so you're going to redo some Unit 2 right now. So you should already have a good idea and understanding of it, so that's actually good for you. So I'm doing the video so that I can kind of explain how I set up my classes, okay? So this is the Schoology page. On the front page, you're going to see all these buttons. The words have the links to the different items. So my email, it'll just give you what my email address is, then you have to put it into Google. Sorry about that. So Tutoring Help, Mid-Continent Public Library does offer tutoring help. There's Desk Message, which is a graphing website. If you ever need a one-on-one conference, you click this link. It'll take you to a Google form that then you fill out, and that Google form will come back to me. I do offer on Tuesdays and Fridays from 10:45 until 11:15. I do offer question and answer sessions. So what I recommend is that you first jump onto those. A lot of times one question that one student has, other students have. So instead of me having a whole bunch of one-on-one sessions where I'm answering the same question, I'd rather answer that question during those question and answer sessions once versus a million times. So jump on those. If you're needing additional help, then go ahead and fill out that Google form for additional help. Khan Academy, just extra practice and extra videos. Here's our online book link if you ever need that. And then I have all the folders linked here, or you can scroll down, up to you. So we did a quick radicals quadratics review, which you probably did not do that at your home school, which is fine. We also did Unit 1, but we started in Unit 2. We started in Unit 2 this week. So something probably different for my class than other classes is I actually release my folders on Wednesday. So you will have a weekly folder that I will release on Wednesday, and it typically all the assignments are due by the next Wednesday, but they have due dates on it, so make sure to look at the due dates. So this is where I would want for you to start. We're on week 7. October 21st through the 28th. If you click on that folder, I will put a video in here to explain what you need to do that week. I also do a write-up on what you need to do that week. So what I recommend all my students to do in the online class is click on this, print that off, because then you can literally just go through and see, okay, what do I need to do first? Have I done that? And cross it off as you do it. I also do not recommend that, since it's mostly due on Wednesday, that you start it on Tuesday. Please work about 45 minutes every day. There shouldn't be much more, if any, work than 45 minutes a day in this folder. So after the what to do that week, Schoology is being really slow right now. I'll bring that up. There it is. So print something like this off and then cross it off as you go. Okay. After those two items, and here, since this is a new unit, I have the notes and the supplemental sheets. We may get to the supplemental sheets. We may not. It just depends on the week or the unit. Print those off so you can have those. If you ever need these because you don't have printing capabilities, just let me know and I can put them at the front desk of the Lee Summit West office for you to grab. Then I put in all my notes. So my 2.1 notes, then you'll have your 2.1 homework that goes along with those notes, and then 2.2 notes and 2.2 homework. And so that is for the entire week. What you see in here is for the entire week. They do have due dates. So here there's the due date, and as you can see, most of these due dates are Wednesday. And it's by noon on Wednesday. It's not 11:59 at night. It's by noon. Because then what I try to do is Wednesday afternoon, I'll try to go through and I'll update grades. I only update grades on Wednesdays. So if you turn in something late on a Thursday, that's not going to be updated until the following Wednesday. So you can email me and tell me that, but there's really no need to, because I'm not going to upload it and change it until the following Wednesday. It gets way too confusing on my end, and I have way too many students to upload all the time. All late homework is due by the end of the unit. So anything during Unit 2, I want you to do by the due date. Most of those assignments have up to 3 attempts, so you can redo them to get a better score and to have a better understanding. But I will not accept anything from Unit 2 after the Unit 2 test. So just make sure everything's turned in by that time. Other than that, if you have any questions, please let me know. It looked like you were doing really well in your previous geometry class, so I don't feel like you will have any struggles in this class. But of course, let me know if you do. All right, thanks, son.